Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we'll look into the chapter called Rational Numbers. The given question is find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So guys, let us see how we can find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Here the question is asking us to find 10 rational numbers. The question is asking us to find 10 rational numbers. 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So guys, we need to find out 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now the first step is to make the denominator same for the given two rational numbers. So let us first make the denominator same for these two rational numbers that the question has given us. Or we are going to utilize these two rational numbers as the begin point and end point, and we are going to find out 10 rational numbers in between these two, that is minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now what we are going to do, we are going to first make the denominators look similar. So in order to make the denominator look similar, here if you look here we have 5 and 2. 5 and 2, if we need to find out LCM, you could see that 5 ones are 5 and this one is 2, and here I can write 2 ones are 2, and the LCM that we are getting is 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. So I require 10 in the denominator. Now how to do that? Here we have minus 2 upon 5. That means in order to get 10 in the denominator, I should multiply 2 to the denominator. If I am multiplying 2 to the denominator, I should also multiply 2 to the numerator. So that is what I am going to do. That means minus 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 2. And 1 upon 2 is here, the other number. So if I need 10, I need to multiply 5 in the numerator as well as I need to multiply 5 in the denominator. So now the two new numbers that we got are minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. So these are the two rational numbers that we got now. These are the new rational numbers that we got. Minus 4 upon 10 is nothing but minus 2 upon 5, and 5 upon 10 is nothing but 1 upon 2. Now guys, let us see how many rational numbers we are getting in between these two. So here it is minus 4 upon 10. So I can write here minus 3 upon 10 is one rational number, minus 2 upon 10 is another rational number, minus 1 upon 10 is another rational number, 0 upon 10 is another rational number, 1 upon 10 is another rational number, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, and 4 upon 10, and finally the given number is 5 upon 10. So these are the given numbers in between 5 upon 10 and minus 4 upon 10. We require 10 rational numbers. Now let us count how many rational numbers we are getting. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are able to find only 8 rational numbers between minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, which is nothing but minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now in order to get 10 rational numbers, what we need to do? Again we need to increase the denominator. So we need to increase the denominator again. Now here the step is, again we are going to increase the denominator. We need to increase. In this step we are again going to increase the denominator so that we can get more rational numbers. Increase the denominator. How to increase the denominator? Just multiply 2 to the denominator. 2 to the existing denominator we need to multiply. Now here we got the two numbers are minus 4 upon 10 and we need to multiply 2. So I cannot only multiply 2 to the denominator, I need to also multiply 2 to the denominator. So to minus 4 upon 10, which is this number, I multiplied 2 upon 2, and 5 upon 10, which is the beginning of this number, which is 5 upon 10, that is 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 2. Now the new numbers that I am getting is minus 8 upon 20. is one number, and the extreme end I am going to write 10 upon 20. So these are the two numbers I got, and these are my starting point. 10 upon 20 is nothing but 10 upon 20 is nothing but 1 upon 2, which was initially given in the question, and similarly minus 8 upon 20 is the other rational number which was given in the question, which is nothing but minus 2 upon 5, which is nothing but minus 2 upon 5. Now you could see that I could get n number of rational numbers here. How? Minus 7 upon 20, minus 6 upon 20, minus 5 upon 20, minus 4 upon 20, minus 3 upon 20, minus 2 upon 20, minus 1 upon 20, 0 upon 20, then 1 upon 20, then 2 upon 20, like this till 10 upon 20. And you could see we could have taken 10, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 rational numbers that we got, or that we are able to find out between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now let us represent these 10 rational numbers on a number line so that the picture will be more clear. So now let us represent these rational numbers on the number line or on a number line so that the things will be more clear. Now if you look here, I have posted the number line here with those rational numbers that we have currently used, or that we have currently found out. Now if you look here, these rational numbers are, as I told you, as you look here, these rational numbers are here 10 upon 20. So here it is 10 upon 20. 10 upon 20, which was being given in the question. This is 10 upon 20, and the beginning of that will be 20 upon 20, because the beginning of a number line is 1 and the middle is 0, and mostly towards the left it is minus 1. Now you could see that 10 upon 20 that was being given, and here we have minus 8 upon 20, and here it is 10 upon 20. So 8 upon 20 is this one, and we are supposed to find out 10 rational numbers. So how to find out 10 rational numbers? You can just count. You can just count minus 6 upon 2, 2, 3. Just you can count the 10 rational numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am going to consider these 10 rational numbers for the purpose of our answer. You can consider any other 10 rational numbers in between minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. And guys, I believe you would be understanding minus 8 upon 20 is nothing but 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, which is minus 2 upon 5. And here this one is 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. These two numbers, if you look into the question once again, if you look into the question, here it is 10 upon 20, that is 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20. If you look to the question, these are the two numbers that are being given in the question, and the question has asked us to find 10 rational numbers in between these. So we are able to find those 10 rational numbers in between these, and hence we can write our concluding answer saying that, the question has asked us find 10 rational numbers. So we can say that the 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2, minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2 are, so what are the rational numbers that we have shown here? Minus 6 upon 20, minus 5 upon 20, minus 4 upon 20, minus 3 upon 20, minus 2 upon 20, minus 1 upon 20, 0 upon 20, 1 upon 20, 2 upon 20, and we have 3 upon 20. So these are the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now these are the 10 rational numbers that we found out. But it would be more precise. If we write those rational numbers like this. Minus 6 upon 20. Minus 6 upon 20 can be written as minus 6 upon 20 can be written as minus 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20, minus 3 upon 10. Minus 5 by 20 I can write minus 5 by 20 as minus 1 upon 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. And then minus 4 upon 20 I can write 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So here 5 4s are 20, here 4 5s are 20. And then here I can write minus 3 upon 20. Here I can write 2 upon 20 is nothing but minus 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. Then I can write minus 1 upon 20, then 0 upon 20 is 0, then 1 upon 20, then 2 upon 20 is nothing but 1 upon 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20, then 3 upon 20. Hope guys you understood this. Why I did like this? Why I did like this, you understood this. See, minus 6 upon 20, minus 5 upon 20, minus 4 upon 20, minus 3 upon 20, minus 2 upon 20, minus 1 upon 20 as it is, 0 upon 20 is 0, 1 upon 20 is 1 upon 20, 2 upon 20 is 1 upon 10, and 3 upon 20 is 3 upon 20. Hope guys you understood this. These are very simple and very straightforward. Just I am taking little bit time to explain you so that you people can understand it quickly and easily. But you people can do it within 5 minutes. Hope guys you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.